Hi guys, welcome to Pearl Property Channel. I'm Pinky. Today I bring you to see one of the very nice and unique project on Na Jomtien. This is the Riviera Monaco, the newest project of Riviera Group. Location is on Na Jomtien Soi 4. Today I show you all the detail of this project. You're gonna love it. Normally Riviera, they make their own unique design which you will never see in anywhere, and this is one of the first place that I'm gonna show you. This one is lobby, and the design is very nice and unique. Always the detail, good quality. Riviera Monaco have 40 story of the building and 412 units. They are separate of the parking building, which is 3 story of parking building. On top of parking building, they have a tennis court, and then in the building, the first floor, there are swimming pool, slider, snooker table, kid room, and very nice lobby and nice garden around. Other parts of facility, they are on 21st floor, which you will have a sky pool, a gym, nice garden, and another sky garden on 32nd floor, and of course the unit with nice decoration. Today I'm going to show you 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 67 square meter, and actually there are another side as well, of the unit. So you will have starting with 25 square meter, 30, 48 square meters. So the price actually starting around 2.5 million baht with fully furnished. But today I'm showing you 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, which is very nice unit. So follow me to see all this. Now we at 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, size 67 square meter. So I show you around. We probably start with the entrance area first. The door is pretty nice because they use wood door, which is quite nice design that you can see. It's like a real wood, and with the frame as well. It's pretty nice if you love wood. And here's washing machine. So it's quite good that they prepare the box for washing machine, so you can just leave it here, and yeah, when you use, just open and make it, and after that you close it. So it looks nice. And actually the wall will come with the plain wall, so a wall decoration will not include in the unit. But yeah, if you love it to have some crystal design or glass design, you can also decorate it after. But the unit will come with built-in and all fully furnished. So the kitchen, they are left and right of me, is a kitchen area. So this size come with hot hood, oven, and of course all the built-in kitchen like this with black granite top. And the cabinet is pretty nice because you have like see-through with the light inside, so you can put your glass and dish to show like nice designs of. And downstairs come with cabinet with design of marble, so it's quite nice contrast with the white marble and black granite. So quite nice design. And this size of kitchen have fridge, which is big fridge, 2 door. It's nice. And yeah, see-through cabinet, and sink. So it's quite good for this layout where you have like two sides of kitchen. If you want to wash dish, you can use here, or if you want to cook and use there, that side. So yeah, it's quite good space. Dining table come with 4 chairs. If you see the design of furniture here, it's always look unique because they choose the design which is quite unique and different. You probably never see the design of the furniture in normal furniture shop. So this is what I like design here. Pretty nice chair and dining table. I moved to living area, so pretty big for condominium. I mean, it's good size, not look small because you have 2 big of sofa chair, so you can fit with 5-6 people. Coffee table is also look nice, look luxury with the gold color designs of the table, so it look fit to each other. It's very nice. The balcony here, they always use a good quality, so the glass is pretty heavy and very strong, nice quality. And yeah, the color of this still keeps similar like gold concept. Outside of this unit have jacuzzi, so it's like you can enjoy the view in jacuzzi if you want to just relax and put yourself on the weekend day on jacuzzi and enjoy sea view. It's nice. Also have small outdoor set with it. You still can have space on the balcony to enjoy the view or the garden, so you can sit a few people there for just a coffee. It's nice. Here I am at just the 3rd floor. I see a little bit sea view and the garden and the pool, very nice view. So if you love to have like sea view, probably 5-6 floor or a little bit higher, you get already nice sea view. But if you love enjoy a garden and pool view, this is good choice. So TV here, there are 2 bedrooms, so I'll show you this one first. This bedroom have a nice window because like all wall that side is full of glass, so it's glass wall, let's say. It's very nice because you will feel like not too small and always feel nice to see light, see green area and light inside. It's very nice. The unit come with the furniture. Of course, it's built-in headboard and bed mattress, but it's not include this glass or wallpaper, so it comes with the plain wall. But you can also add more wallpaper to make it look nicer and small decoration. 2-door cabinet with see-through. Nice. The floor here, they use a big tile size and brown marble design, so this make unit look more luxury, nice. Bathroom has rain shower and the sink. Riviera always make a nice design of the mirror in the bathroom and then shows like unique design that you how to say, you can always remind that you are in Riviera. So this is nice. Okay, now we're done with the master bedroom. Now I show you another bedroom. Second bedroom, which is, I would say, not too much smaller than the master bed, so the size pretty much similar. The design, they keep warm concept with a modern luxury design, a little bit gold, light brown. The bed come with king size bed, nice. TV already built in with in the wall. Aircon here is nice too because come with ceiling aircon. Yeah, look already very good. Wardrobe, 2 doors. Okay, wardrobe here is not too big, but it's good enough for holiday. Toilet here, you can entrance from the bedroom and you can also entrance from the living room, so you can use this toilet as a guest toilet as well in case if your friend visit. Again, come with the nice mirror of Riviera design, toilet, sink and shower room with the rain shower. Nice. And yeah, pretty nice slide door. The ceiling here quite good, around 2.7 meters, so it's not that low. It's quite nice space. Hopefully I cover all of this unit. So the design is very unique, very nice, and yeah, the detail of the project of course pretty good. So okay, I show you the rest of the facility, so follow me. Now I am on first floor of the building, which have very nice swimming pool and garden behind me. So I will show you swimming pool, slider, and the facility around at the first floor. Follow me here. Here is the nice pool and the garden. Behind me have slider and have all the sun chair. You can take a sun bath here, relaxing around. And of course, it's full of all the plants which make you feel like relaxed. Over there have nice decoration of the big bell. So the decoration here is very unique and very nice, very detailed. And now I am on floor 21st. So here is very nice view on high floor. Next to me is nice sky pool and also have sky jacuzzi. So this floor you have pool, jacuzzi, gym, and of course nice the decoration of facility. So I hope you like all about today's the Riviera Monaco, and thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you on next episode. Bye.